Securing new business often depends on how professional and convincing your proposal appears, but starting one from scratch is a huge waste of time. Today, I'll show you how to create a winning, brand-aligned business proposal in seconds using Vengage's new AI tools. This is exactly how you impress high-value clients without spending the whole day on the design work. You land a client and they ask for a proposal. You open a blank document. That blank page eats up hours. Layout, headers, structure, fonts, brand colors, copy, the lot. Before you've even pitched the work, you've already wasted half a day. Vengage's AI proposal generator sorts that out. One prompt, finished proposal, minutes, not hours. So let me show you. New client, a coffee shop called Brew Company, and they want a brand identity package. So the prompt I'm putting in is brand identity proposal for Brew Company, a new specialty coffee shop. The services are logo design, packaging, social media, templates, and brand guidelines. That's the prompt, and now I just click Generate Proposal. And there is, right? Cover page, executive summary, about us, services breakdown, timelines, pricing structure, the lot. It even gives you the next steps as well. This isn't a template I've just filled in, right? This was created from my prompt, tailored for my client, my services, my pitch. And this is the bit that really matters for freelancers and founders. You look professional straight away, so there's no need for a design background. You're not starting from scratch. Now here's where most AI tools get it wrong. The generation looks great, does it? But editing's where it all falls apart. You can't actually change anything without messing up the layout, so you end up having to rebuild it manually anyway, which defeats the whole purpose. But Vengage lets you edit everything within the same workspace. You can just click on any text box and AI Rewrite will suggest a tighter version, more professional, more concise, the tone you want. So I'm going to ask it to make it more professional. And as you can see, it's changed. Exactly what we were talking about before. So it's turned it into a more professional script. And the best part is, I didn't even have to leave the proposal. Now, next up is icons. Most stock icon libraries just give you the same old recycled generic graphics. Vengage's AI icon generator creates custom ones from your prompt. So I type in what I need, which is a minimal coffee bean icon, and then I click generate. So custom icons for my service, not stock, not generic, made specifically for this proposal. And you get brand assets as well, right? So I just drag my logo straight in, brand colors, fonts, the lot. And here, if you tweak the image settings, you can change the colors, right? You can make it grayscale or sepia, retro, whatever you fancy. You can change absolutely everything you need. You can even add a drop shadow to make it look that bit more professional. And yeah, there are just so many options for you. You can remove the image background with just a single click as well. So the AI puts together a proposal. I fine-tune it. You have complete control over the final look and spend zero time on the boring bits. Here's the part nobody ever mentions but really should. A lot of business proposals fail accessibility checks. Poor color contrast, no alt text, unreadable for screen readers. For high stakes deals, government contracts, enterprise clients, anyone with a procurement process, that's a real issue. And Vengage is the leader in accessible design. They've built an AI accessibility checker directly into the platform. So the scan's finished, like, and it's flagged up the issues. Text size, that's not ideal, but it's an easy fix. And then once you start rescanning the document, you can rescan it after editing the colors because the color contrast is an issue here. And then the final step, right? You can download it as an accessible PDF, and then the document will be fully inclusive. It will be screen reader compatible, contrast compliant, all text in place. Sending an accessible proposal sends a message. You care about every reader. You've thought about compliance. For enterprise pitches and government work, that's not optional. It's how you win the contract. So quick call out, right? The proposal generator is one of 100 AI design tools inside Vengage. You've got infographics, you've got reports, you've got pitch decks, social graphics, charts, presentations, all using the same workflow. And there are new ones added every week. So register for free, unlock the lot, stop losing time on manual formatting, and start winning more clients today. Click the link in the description to try the AI proposal generator for free. If you want to unlock the full power of Vengage, use my code BizCheck50 to get 50% off your annual plan for Vengage Premium or Business. And I'll see you in the next one.